Hi, I'm Peter Hawley, President and CEO of Fabled Copper Corp. And today I would like to tell you about our latest press release where we disclose the results from our 2021 UAV drone survey of the Magnum deposit. This is the 10th set of results of our 2021 surface field work on its Muskwa property, comprised of the Neil property, the Toro property, all in Northern British Columbia. The company also holds the rights to the Bronson Property. A total of 19 specific areas were mapped and prospected during the 2021 field season. And we started the new year by reporting our findings on the Lady Luck occurrence in the south end of the Neil property, followed by the Mac, the 8A, Harris, the 2A and 2B, the Creek, Key South, Belcher Creek, and now the Magnum mine copper deposit. Mineralization at the Magnum deposit consists of varying proportions of anchorite, quartz, chalcopyrite, and pyrite, and partly replaced remnants of the sedimentary host rock. To date, a total of 10 veins have been identified, varying in width from less than 3 feet, or 0.9 meters, up to 25 feet, 7.6 meters, showing continuity on strike and at depth. The main developed veins are nearly vertical, as you can see. The Magnum vein trend is also defined by a versatile time domain electromagnetic, that short form is VTEM, geophysical signature. As part of the 2021 exploration season, 5 selected areas were surveyed by an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV. Photogrammetry survey was conducted over the Harris, Eagle, Neil, and the Magnum veins by Drone North. Here you can see the survey area for the Magnum. The purpose of the UAV photogrammetry surveys were to, number 1, generate high-resolution photogrammetry data sets for the vein target to better understand bedrock controls on copper mineralization. Number 2, generate high-resolution digital terrain models, DTM, to assist with 3D modeling of the targets. And number 3, generate baseline imagery to record current state of surface disturbance at sites that will be actively explored in the coming years. Equipment used to carry out the UAV photogrammetry surveys consisted of a DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2 elliptical 20 megapixel camera drone with both a mechanical shutter and an upgraded rover LI-L2 Global Navigation Satellite System, GNS receiver. A multi-frequency SUNAV G10 base station was set to allow for PPK corrections of the UAV rover receiver location information. Ground Control Points GCP data was acquired during the survey with 25 terrain following missions completed to survey the Magnum target. And this resulted in a total of 5,419 photographs acquired during the surveying. And the final GSDs and the resolution was 4.55 centimeters for the orthomosaic and 18.25 centimeters in resolution for the digital surface modeling, DMS. Data products generated included 3 to 23 centimeter resolution color orthophoto mosaics, as you can see. The red line represents a trace of the Magnum vein. Digital surface models, DMS, and digital terrain models, DMT, were also done. Hillshade models were also used and generated for each of the target areas. The red line represents the trace of the Magnum vein. The survey grade accuracy of 1 to 3 centimeters on the ground control point data was also acquired at the time of the UAV survey. As you can see from this flight mission over the Magnum vein, the data generated was used for in-field targeting of visual copper occurrences, that's the green and blue colors, on the color orthophoto and drone survey video. And this has 3 centimeter resolution which led to field examination of the mineralized unit, to the sampling of the Magnum vein, where a total of 20 samples were collected as a first pass evaluation. The sampling information, such as the sample description, what type of sample collected, the assay results, and the GPS coordinates were then plotted on the drone survey map, as you can see. In addition, using various filter parameters, the UAV drone survey area was evaluated for silica occurrences, such as quartz, which hosts the Magnum deposit. This survey showed very strong silica anomalies on the other side of the mountain, which hosts the Magnum deposit. And this will be followed up in the 2021 field season. Going forwards, using the results of the data gathered by the UAV drone in the 2021 field season, the field crew will further sample in detail and map the Magnum deposit, in addition to traversing the south side of the hillside to investigate the silica anomalies. An additional release on the sampling and results of the Magnum deposit will be forthcoming in the following weeks. Please follow us as we explore for green copper in northern British Columbia, Canada.